Welcome back to Clowne. It's long overdue an update from the old Clowne South LD&ECR station site. I think it was November I was here last, so let's have a catch up. What have they been getting up to?
Changed a bit since you last were here. We've had lantern tops up. I've done a bit of cosmetic work to the tracks to make it look weathered and worn, and just tidying up generally.
Your lawns look nice for this time of year.
They do.
Beginning of March.
In fact, that's one of the jobs today. We're going to put some grass seed down on this side here.
Or the bald bits.
Yeah. Just get all the rocks out and try and make it look as good on this side as it does that side.
Yeah, it certainly looks better than my lawn does at home. Yeah, so you were just constructing, you were in the process of welding and putting together those lamp tops. So this lamp tops here has all been constructed on site, hasn't it?
Yeah, John Tipper.
Yeah. Oh, good lot of LD&ECR as well.
Yeah, we put that on as a little touch to it. We've painted it all up, we've got perspex in. We're just figuring out best way to put a light in it. I think it's going to be a solar light.
Yeah.
There's been means and discussions what sort of strength light it is, but if we can get some form of light in it, look good. But we've tried to paint it as authentic as possible, you know, like with the GC and...
Yeah. Was that the colours then, green? Because I only see black and white photos, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I had a suspicion that one of the pictures had a lantern with a white top and the rest of it was a darker colour. But we've opted for the white one so it stands out more when you look down here. Yeah. And then John's in there and he'll be constructing the second one.
Oh, right.
In fact, I think he'll be doing the top piece today. So what we've done with the tracks is just to make it stand out more from when you look at it from at the top, is the dark sort of, what is it? Soot. Yeah, the soot and the coal from inside. We've made it look dirty. Try to give it a bit of an authentic look, make it stand out more.
It looks weathered, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah.
As though engines are being stood here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It looks really good when you look up there, looking down. I just want to sort that middle section out because if you notice, you know when you look at tracks, you always have that lump in the middle, don't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, so just want to rake it all into a bit of a mound in the middle. Like people have been down on the tracks and, you know, sorting out all the ballast, making sure there's no ballast trapped anywhere.
I'm sure there's a technical term for it. It's not one I know.
Yeah. But the job today, we're just going to finish painting these up.
Oh, platform edges?
Yeah, we're just going to paint the edges because that's where we got to originally. And this is the new piece, what we put in last year. So just got to paint that up to match with that. Same on that side. That's going to be black as well. Just to bring the colour of the bricks out eventually, like it has done here.
Yeah.
You can see when the sun shines on it, you can see all the different colours. You've got your reds, a little bit of reds and pinks and your blues.
Yeah. Look nice, don't they? Nice matte colour.
Then the wheels, what we've done.
Oh yeah, I never noticed that.
Yeah. We've just tried to make the wheels look a bit more 3D. There's still a bit of work to do. We've got a bit more paint to add to it. I think maybe like a bronze or a gold just on the edges of the wheels, just to define it a bit more. And then the central piece will be darker as well.
The axle.
Yeah. Oh, and the sandboxes were painted on as well. On the original photos, they've got sandboxes.
Like these?
But because it's all flat, when you look at it from up there, the shiny glass against the mat.
Oh yeah.
Just defines it a little bit more
brings it
as
out
well.
a bit more, doesn't it? Yeah. Was that lamp on at the top last time?
I think it was, yeah.
New?
Yeah. There's some spiders go up there, look.
Oh yeah.
You're doing on our engine. We've put in this railway sleeper, well, a railway sleeper in a bit, just to finish it off, because you've got sleepers down each side.
Yeah.
Excuse me. And then I thought if we put sleepers at the top, it'll just act as though it's separate.
Yeah.
You know, it just makes it look a bit more uniform.
Gives it a bit of a border, doesn't it, as well?
Yeah.
Keeps your nice stones in as well.
That's it. Gardening tip number 1. All this moss.
Oh yeah, yeah.
See it all, look. Sulphate of iron. You can buy that from Clowne Garden Holders
Right.
on Sunday morning between 9 and 12. And this will kill all your moss. It'll make it go black, but then your grass will grow with a bit of feed and weed, a bit of grass seed, and
Yeah.
it'll get rid of all your moss and it'll look lovely.
Super. There you go. Hey, you get that for free. Yep. So measures have been put in place to keep those miscreants away then. All right. Oh blimey, it's working.
The ends of the benches were donated by Marion and AD Harper.
Okay.
And they've been painted up, and last week and week before they put all the wooden lats in, and they will eventually be secured to each platform.
So is this the other? This is the other lamp.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Yeah, I think you were just doing the other one last time I was here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's all up and running now.
Yeah, it looks good that. Yeah, fantastic job. So I've got some old photos here. Photos you'll have probably seen before, just showing bits of the station. Got a little corner here, just dedicated to the restoration. What I'll do is I'll put some stills at the end of this video, just so you can have a little bit longer, a little bit more detail. So we've got a map here of the wider plans for the Lancashire Derbyshire East Coast Railway. So from Lancashire, Warrington was going all the way to Sutton-on-Sea on the east coast, and then a map of what actually got built. Sheffield, Beighton Branch, that's where we are, and Chesterfield to Lincoln, that's where it sits in with a wider local rail network at the time. And then we've just got some more old photos and things over this side, it's giving a bit of history, just how the station looked before they started on it. All good stuff. If you're local, come and take the time just to have a look at this. Looks familiar. So that's showing the route of the line through Clowne now. And I think last time I was here, they've just filled in these gaps as well, haven't they? Look, just on these ramps. The ramps would have been down to the platforms. Got 250 quid coming my way from Jeremy Beadle.
always end up with leaves blowing down here and receipts, but you never find a tenner or a fiver blown down.